Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Subaru steering wheel. First, find the adjustment lever located beneath the steering column. Pull this lever down to unlock the steering wheel. Now, you can move the wheel up or down to achieve your preferred height. Once you have found the perfect vertical position, push the lever back up firmly to secure the steering wheel in place. This ensures a comfortable and safe driving experience. Next, let's adjust the telescopic reach. With the same lever still in the unlocked position, you can now pull the steering wheel towards you or push it away. Aim for a distance where your arms have a slight bend at the elbows when holding the wheel. This allows for optimal control and comfort. Once the horizontal position is set, push the lever up securely to lock the steering wheel. Achieving an ideal driving posture is crucial for long-term comfort and safety. Sit with your back fully against the seat, ensuring proper support. Your wrists should comfortably rest on the top of the steering wheel, maintaining a slight bend in your elbows. Remember to adjust your seat and mirrors after setting the steering wheel, as these elements work together for your best driving position. Proper steering wheel adjustment offers significant safety and ergonomic benefits. It enhances vehicle control and greatly reduces driver fatigue on longer journeys. Always maintain at least 10 inches of space between your chest and the airbag for optimal safety. An ergonomically sound setup also improves your visibility and reaction time, contributing to a safer and more enjoyable driving experience every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.